I'm gonna put in the here. Here you go. Now I'm gonna put Hi everyone, welcome back to the Karuna Film. Today I'm going to show you guys how to have the Tibetan Buddhist Blessing, which is one of the most famous. It's called Rinchen Rana Sampel. So this is how it looks and packs. And here I have another blessing. It's called Mani Rilmu, which is also very famous and powerful blessing. Another I have here, this one called Mendu, which is also very famous blessing, powerful. You see here, Rinchen Rana Sampel. So those three are one of most powerful blessing ever. So this one's also blessing, but not for it. You have to burn it. You see here, as you can see here, blessing. Yeah. So those blessings are very important to have, especially these days during the COVID-19. But not only for the COVID-19, it can help you as protection from any risk. So I keeping in the clean container. So make sure you wash hand before you even touch it. You see, I put all the three kind of those medicine. You don't have to have all three together. Actually, you can have only one of those, But I like to have, some different kinds of blessings put together in a container. Then you can put some water here, cold water, hot water, warm water, doesn't matter. So once you put the water, make sure keep in the fridge. Then every morning, once you brush it, then you can have those blessings little bit every morning, which is really good for you. I have taken the first dot, second dot COVID-19 vaccine, but still I'm taking this blessing. I have nothing problem with the COVID-19. So as long as you believe, it can always help you out. So here's very important information to know. So while you have this blessing, you can have meat, you can have alcohol, of course, you can have smoking, alright? If you have those things, it's not gonna help you out. And while you taking those blessings, you must chant or some recite mantra, which is Buddha medicine mantra. Dayata om bekanzi, mam bekanzi, ranja samu sofa. So I have the link description below. You can listen it or recite it. Now I open it, you see. You see here they put the stamp. That means original. They bind it very nicely by using the 5 different kinds of the color. Now you see they are wrapped by another paper. Yeah, especially Rinchen Rana Sampel, which is this, is very hard to find. It's very hard to buy too. But it's not expensive. But it's very hard to find. Okay. The one of my friend who went to India and he gave to me. few of these, but it's very it's hard to find. Okay, all right. Now I put inside the container. Put some water. Actually, you can fill it all the way up. Then you can put in the fridge. You can have it every morning. So this is pretty much how to take the blessing. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe. Peace.